Okay, what are you doing right now?
Wait a minute, look over the camera. She'll get a picture.
It's a video.
I just got my boots.
So
Hi,
this is
Boots.
Bobby Boots, the salesman.
Hi.
With Mr. Bobby Boots.
There we go. So that's it, guys.
Some mistake me for George Strait, but...
Okay.
Oh my God. Thank you.
He's having a little too much fun.
He is.
Too much fun with these girls. They're so sweet.
So,
Some of those ones are not.
Well, we're always a
Your
bundle
breath
of fun.
stinks, Bobby.
We're always
How
a
do you
bundle of
know?
fun when we're together.
Cause I work with you every day. I know.
That's it. I'm going to staple something together on you.
I'm a roundhouse kick. You know what a roundhouse kick is?
Yeah, I sure do.
What is it? What is it, Bobby?
Jiu-jitsu, kick, you go away like this, and you come back.
Chuck Norris kick.
Chuck Norris style.
I didn't tell you I was a jiu-jitsu master, did
Gets
I?
Western in here.
are you ready for what just happened?
Thank you, gals.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
You're welcome.
Can you show me the inside of your boot, please?
The inside? I think I can. There you go. It's official.
11/18.
Thank you very much.